Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. It's day 5 unboxing of Baddies and Budgets, the aesthetic baddie Christmas Advent box. So it looks like today we got a spiral planner. Alright, let me move the packaging from this. So it looks like it is 2026. Alright, yeah, so it's a 2026 daily planner. Okay, we got stickers in it. So it is similar to the spiral planner we receive every year. Every November, Intention Box for Cloth and Paper, we receive our annual planner. I do like that the paper in this planner is white because for some reason this year cloth and paper, they didn't do white paper this year. It's like an off-white, but I do like the white. And this look like this is task focused. And cloth and paper does have a task focus, and I think I might just use this planner for my social media as a social media planner. Or if I don't use it, I'll do it as a giveaway. But Bestie, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe and turn your notifications on all so you won't miss my next uploads. Alright, Bestie. Toodles.